Become sixth semester students friends, for your syllabus, the most important concept is multinational corporation companies. What is the multinational corporation companies? What is the importance of the multinational corporation companies in the economic development of our country as well as the foreign countries? Then what are the important objectives, characteristics, advantages of the multinational corporation company, especially for the particular study of your syllabus? Multinational corporation or industrial organization, especially which have their headquarters in the country and they extend the number of the network in the one more countries, that is also called as the multinational corporation companies. Especially for example, in America, one the multinational corporation company first maintain the headquarters in America, and then after that it is also extend to the number of the companies in the various countries, in the especially in underdeveloped countries, especially in developing countries. I think these industrial organization, whether it is related to the market operations in several other countries, now these multinational corporation companies properly development of the network to the one country to that another country, because the most important objectives profit motivative of the multinational corporation companies. I think there are number of the branches extend to the one more countries. Major own foreign corporation, they are also known as translation national corporations. As their operations, these companies extend the buyers at the boundaries of the nation and to the other countries. So that is why these multinational corporation countries very important aspect for the proper development of the business network as well as the industrial organization network. Not only these things, but also development of the networks to the marketing system. For example, Amazon is the one of the most important company. This company also fastly development of the online network business to sell the goods sale to the door to door. This is particularly business. Now this Amazon company, the world level, very good name, very good marketing system, and very good delivery of the goods to the house to house. And these company which are originally started in the foreign countries and then extend to the subdivisions in one more countries, these also called as the multinational corporations. Actually, these multinational corporations produce the goods and maintain to the financial resource and maintain to the profit maximization and feed over to the world. But I think these multinational corporation companies properly adopted latest technology worldwide and goodwill. They are capable of selling the products. They choose manufacturing of the commodities in different countries. there are several differences of opinion about the impact of multinational corporations on the Indian economy. While the supporters hold that the multinational corporation constitutes a mechanism of the transfer of foreign technology in India from multinational corporation organization. Today in India, we are properly welcome to the foreign direct investment, foreign technology, and foreign resource, foreign raw materials with help of the development of the organization in our country. The multinational corporation constitutes a clear move by the advanced countries to in the advanced countries very fast development of the network system throughout our nation. The primary aim of these multinational corporations is to maximize profits for themselves and transfer huge resources from our country in the form of profit, royalty, commission, etc. What is the origin of multinational corporation companies? The origin of multinational corporations can be traced book to the mercantilist period to Great Britain, when some bigger companies like the East India Company, British East, now that particular name is British East India Company, the Royal African Company, Hudson Bay Company, etc., diversified the markets for their products in different countries of the world economic system. I think these multinational corporation company, they used to collect raw materials from those countries and send them to their home country to meet the requirement of their industrialization for the systematic development of the industrialization organization. This type of multinational trading resulted in the rise of colonialism in various parts of the world during the post-Second World War period. A good number of colonies under imperialism become the independent countries. So that is why these multinational corporation companies extend to the branches and extend to the market network system and extend to the all other activities for the profit motivative purpose. That purpose, before independence, British East India Company properly development in our country to earn the income, to send the raw materials India to the England nation. So that is why the number of the industries are failure in our country. Number of the industries are very richest development in the England nation or foreign countries. That is why this British East India Company very neglect to the our Indian economic system or neglect to the our Indian administration. So that is why what is the growth of the multinational corporation companies? There are several reasons for the growth of multinational corporation in the world. What is the growth? Growth means expansion of markets behind the boundary of the country and to international images, and marketing superiority arising due to update the market information system. and market reputation, effective advertisements, and sales promotion measures, and warehousing facilities, financial superiority over the national enterprises, technical support of the multinational corporations, because it is a reason for the growth of multinational corporation companies. Why the growth of the multinational corporation companies? To support all these activities. I'm telling to that the multinational over the companies, especially for the in the underdeveloped countries, very fast development of the network system, effective production techniques, and productive innovations adopted in the manufacturing of the commodities, particularly in the organization. What is the benefits of multinational corporation companies, or what is the advantages of the multinational corporation companies? The very important aspect for the this one things, the need for foreign capital for a developing country like India. uh, these multinational corporation companies, the following the benefits and advantages of the our country. That is why after the independence, India also properly welcome to the foreign direct investment, foreign investment profile, foreign technology, modern technology, properly welcome to the our nation. What purpose? For the economic development purpose. One side, India is richest country inhabited by the poor people. India is the richest in the natural resource and the human resource. But India also very poor socio-economic conditions of the our nation. So that is why India also facing the lack of industrial uh, organization, or the lack of capital investment or capital resource in our country. So that purpose in our country, what is the benefits, what is the advantages of the multinational corporation companies? The first one, scarcity of resources. First advantage is scarcity of resources. Capital in India inadequate for the purpose of economic development. I am also already told that India is backward in the capital resources, lack of capital resource. Therefore, there is a great need for foreign capital for development purpose in our country to support the investment projects. It means what happens? Multinational corporation companies with supported to the investment projects. These investment projects with help of the economic development of the our country. This is the first benefits of the multinational corporation companies. And second advantage, technological help or technologically supports. Foreign capital brings with the other scarce factors like technical know-how, business adventure and experience, up to date machinery, essential raw materials. All these are quite essential for the rapid industrial developments in the recipient country. That purpose, technological help with supported to the in our country. So for the economic development purpose. And the third advantage, increase in savings. Foreign capital supplements domestic savings and harness them to secure a rapid rate of growth. Foreign capital permits higher rate of domestic investment than the domestic capital alone were supported. Now this increase in the saving, why they increase the saving in our country? Because number of the multinational corporations invested capital resource in the companies, then automatically increase the savings capacity of the people to the developing country or underdeveloped nations. And fourth advantage, building infrastructure. The investment of foreign capital, this foreign capital recipient country leads to increase in the permit property of the nation, such as railways, development of irrigation, development of power, development of houses, development of dam projects, development of road projects, etc. The building of such a capital assets, India increases our national wealth and accelerate the proper of the industrial development of our country. That purpose, building infrastructure facilities very necessary for the economic development of our country. So that is why very fast development of the industrial organization from the foreign capital or from the multinational corporation companies. And then advantages. Initially risk. What are the initial risk? Now, financing risk are generally borne by the foreign capital. In other words, it bears the initial cost of buildings and the industrial development of our country. So, with supporting to the reduce to the initial risk for the development of the industries in our country, that purpose initial risk is very important benefit. And the sixth advantage, tiding over foreign exchange difficulties. Foreign capital helps to the underdeveloped country like India. Foreign exchange difficulties which generally appear in the initial stage of industrial development of a country. Then seventh benefits, overall benefits. The foreign capital benefits or foreign companies benefits the recipient country, that means boundary of the nation. In may other way, for example, it benefits the laborers, and with help of the laborers and benefits of the laborers, rising their wages, it benefits the consumers by lowering the prices. It benefits to the government through higher tax revenue, and finally its benefits to the entire economy in the form of indirect gains through the realization of external economics. And now, here the benefits of the multinational corporation companies. Balance payment supports. The flow foreign capital offers a temporary solution to the problems of a balance of payments rising from huge imports of capital, goods and other manufacturers requirements. Hence, there is a great need for foreign capital for the purpose and development of our country. So that is why, so all these points, remember it, all the students, remember once again, all these points with the benefits of the multinational corporation companies. The importance of the foreign capital, uh, technical knowledge, how we'll go to the long way in the national reconstruction and the mechanism and methods investment could be really adopted for increasing the productivity of the our country. So that is why the productivity of our country mainly depend upon to the foreign direct investment, foreign technology, and foreign resources, and all these things. The overall increase in the productivity has resulted improve the standard of the living index in our country, and then expansion to the employment opportunities and large inflow of uh, foreign capital into India will certainly have a positive effect on our balance of the payment, the most important aspect. If there is, we have highest welcome to the foreign direct investment or foreign capital. So this foreign capital, actually it will to the a positive effect on our balance of the payment. If the positive effective position of the balance of the payment as a resulted well development of the our economic system. Thus, it is clear that foreign capital has an important role to play in the industrial development of the our country. The late Prime Minister, former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru stressed the role of foreign capital investment in India. In a statement made in the Parliament on April 6, 1949, the statement renders one of the most important statement renders. What purpose renders? Actually, in India, after the independence, first time, former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru properly welcome to the foreign capital, foreign investment, foreign resources with help of the economic developments. That purpose in parliaments properly passed act. This act in 1949. Now this act, this statement also said that India capital needs to be supplemented by foreign capital, not only because our national savings will not be enough for rapid development of the country, but also because in many cases, scientific, technical, and industrial knowledge and capital equipment and basically secured along with the foreign capital. This statement remarked that in our country, welcome to the foreign capital, whether it is multinational corporation nation corporations. So what type of question will be coming? What is multinational corporation company? Explain advantages of the multinational corporation companies for your examination. During see that various question papers, this type question becoming, are you marked and prepare the notes in your house? And thank you one and all.